Welcome to Dee and Gwen's Plans. Today we are going to be showing you the Shopkins Ice Cream truck. We already took it out of the package because it is very hard to open. And you can only get it on ToysRUs.com right now. And you can't get it in stores, I think. I believe you can only get it online. It has a little thing where you can make up music. It came with a sign for the ice cream truck that you can put in front of it. Came with a little, it has 3 pops, one yellow and pink one, a couple rainbow ones, and it's really cute. And on the back, there's little stars. I might actually paint this so you can see everything better. So this can go right here. It also came with a little umbrella and some chairs to spin around for your Shopkins to relax in at the Scoops Ice Cream truck. It has little sundae bars and stuff, and it has little ice cream cones. And then it has, you can switch these out if you want to change them. Also came with 2 shopping bags, exclusive shopping bags, and 2 exclusive Shopkins. Where are those 2 exclusive Shopkins? Oh, there they are. We have exclusive water bottle Shopkins. Good for on the go. And she was going to be working here, so I'm going to put her right here in the driver's seat. And we also got an ice cream cone with 2 scoops of chocolate and vanilla and some strawberry sauce on the top. She is really cute. Other people have opened this, but because they got it somewhere, and it is only $20 on ToysRUs.com. So we're going to put this right here. Ouch! I'll fix you in a minute. And this thing opens up. Oh, you can turn it over and open it up. And it has a little sign. It says, they don't come with these Shopkins. I wish they did come with these Shopkins, because then you could actually sell this stuff. But they don't. It's got a little sun right there. And then, so let's get ready for some customers. Da, 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 da. Look, let's get ready. It's about time. They're coming. Ah! And we also, and back here in the truck, actual truck, we have a little freezer where we can put little Shopkins if we would like. So we can take a little water bottle. You can sit right here and make the orders. And we can have a little ice cream go in the freezer. And we can put her right here to take the orders. So, looks like we're getting some customers. Look, let's stock up the freezer. So we could take a frosty fridge, keep all the Shopkins nice and cool. Let's see. We could do Vanilla Slice, as some people call her, icebox cake. We could put her, let's open the freezer. We can put her in the freezer. We have Chalk Kiss, can go in the freezer. And one more Shopkin. How about some real ice cream? Susie Sundae can go in the freezer. Then we can close the freezer up. And then on the display counter right here, we have a little more area to store some Shopkins. So like right here, we have some area to display candy apple. And water bottle can sit right here. We can put 2 candy apples here. Display. We could put some Pop Rocks. And then we're ready for customers. Hi. How may I take your order? We would like, what do we want? 1 candy apple, please. Okay, what kind would you like? Sour green apple or pink candy apple? Want pink apple. Okay. Here you go. Thank you. Bye. Have a nice day. And then after they buy their stuff, they can go hang out and chill and relax in the little spinner room thing. And I love that you can spin it yourself. And then these come out and they are changeable. So say I wanted to take this out, I can put a different one in. Like I can take this one, and this one can go right here. So you can switch it up if you would like, and then you can spin it even more. So I actually like it with 2 cones. I wish it came with 3, because the cones are deeper, so your Shopkins won't fall out. Warning, Shopkins do fall out of this. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. That's it for this video. Bye, YouTubie.